Meaning of facilitation.
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 Facilitation. Facilitation is the act of making a process or task easier and more efficient for individuals or groups. It involves guiding and supporting people to work together effectively towards a common goal, by encouraging participation, communication, and collaboration. The aim is to enhance learning, decision-making, problem-solving, creativity, and productivity. Facilitation enables individuals to express their opinions and ideas freely in a safe and supportive environment. The outcome is improved relationships, greater understanding and agreement, increased motivation and engagement, and ultimately better outcomes for all involved.